Welcome to Kirat, easy to install. In this video we will show you how to install crossbars on your rooftop tent. Let's begin. Step 1. Take 2 T-bolts and 1 large washer and slide them into the T-channel of the crossbar. You will need set of 2 for each side of the crossbar, just like this. Now take the L bracket and attach it with the T-bolt on both sides of the crossbar, just like this. Then take another large washer and a small washer, slide it into the T-bolt. Do the same on both sides of the crossbar. Now use a nut for the T-bolt on each side. Use a 13mm ratchet to tighten the nuts. Make sure not to fully tighten the nuts at this time. You may have to do minor adjustments after attaching the crossbar to the tent. Repeat this process on both sides. When you are attaching the L bracket, make sure install it flush to the end of the crossbar. And if you require minor adjustments after installing it to the tent, it would be easier for you to use it. After this, your crossbar will be ready to install on your tent. It is always recommended to measure and pick your desired location on the rooftop tent. There you go. Now you're ready to install your crossbar on your rooftop. Use the end cap to close your crossbar edges. There will be 8 screws, 2 screws for each side of the crossbar. Use Allen key provided to tighten the screws. Now take 2 screws and attach them with your crossbar bracket. Make sure not to tighten the screw at this time. Repeat this process on both sides of the tent to attach front and rear crossbar. Once crossbars are attached to the tent, you can now tighten all the nuts and screws. Just like this. You have successfully installed your crossbar. Thank you for watching.